Welcome to Super Easy Recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking one of my favourite dishes, risotto. It's perfect for sunny summer days like today because you can eat it indoors or al fresco. Best of all, you can pre-cook it in large batches, so it's perfect for parties or large gatherings. Now, before going any further, if you like the contents of this video, please do like it and subscribe. You'll need a cup of arborio rice, which serves about 3 to 4 people, a large onion, a bowl of spinach, a generous handful of grated Parmesan cheese, a glass of white wine, some stock, chicken or vegetable will do, and some olive oil. For the meat I'm using 1 chicken breast, some dried oregano, salt and pepper, some garlic, white wine vinegar, and of course olive oil. The first thing I want to do is marinate the chicken. Cut it as thinly as possible. Then mix well with the salt, pepper, oregano, vinegar and oil. Put the chicken aside whilst you get on with the rest of the preparation. Next, dice the onion as finely as possible. And also slice the garlic finely. I'm going to fry the chicken in a non-stick pan with the olive oil and garlic. You need the high heat because you want the chicken to have a little colour, but you don't want to cook it right through, as you'll cook it more in the risotto later. When the chicken is about 90% cooked, set it aside. To make the risotto itself, use a large pot. On a medium heat, I'm going to fry the onions until they turn translucent. When the onions are soft and nicely translucent, I'm going to add the rice to it and fry it for a few more minutes. I like to add the juice from the chicken. After 3 or 4 minutes of cooking, the bottom of the pan will become a bit sticky. Deglaze it with a little wine. Give the bottom of the pan a really good scrape to ensure that nothing sticks, then add the rest of the wine. Continue cooking it until the wine evaporates, then you're ready to add the stock. Although I regard this dish as an easy dish, one element requires care, and that is you have to stir it constantly for at least 20 minutes, adding a little bit of stock at a time. I'm cooking the risotto on a medium to high heat because I want the stock to evaporate. Now, people often ask how to make the perfect risotto rice, and for me the answer is simple. 20 minutes. If you cook it for any longer, the rice breaks down and it becomes soggy, so keep it al dente. After about 15 minutes, I'm going to turn the heat to low and stir in the chicken. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and put in the spinach. I'm going to put the lid on the pot and leave it to steam for a few minutes. Then I'm going to stir in the spinach until the leaves become wilted. Finally, I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese. And that's it! Risotto with chicken and spinach, perfect for lunch or dinner.